In this video, we can see how we can perform arithmetic operations using variables. Open your code editor. Arithmetic operations and mathematic operations are the same. We can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponentiation on variables. Let's see how. First, I am declaring two variables. A equals 9. B equals 3. First performing addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division, then modulus. Last exponentiation. Running the code. Here A plus B means A equals 9 and B equals 3, the result is 12. A minus B means 9 minus 3, the result is 6. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. A/B returns quotient. A%B returns remainder. Double asterisk returns 9 raised to the power of 3. See here. 9 into 9 into 9 equals 729. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed the content. Your support means a lot and helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching.